back to another video. So in today's video, what we will do, we will add one one video file in our project. Okay, so as you know, we are creating a playlist, and we are creating a project of streaming any kind of video. Okay, so you know what we are building. Okay, so in today's video we will add one file. Okay, and if you want to know how we can access this, how we can use this website. Okay, so this is a website. If I show you, so this is a website where we are hosting our videos. Okay, so if you want to access it, what you need to do, go to my YouTube channel, and I have created one video free access. Okay, so the logo will the project image will be somehow like this, and here will be like free access. Okay, free access. Okay, cool, perfect. Now what you need to do, watch that video if you want to access the website. Okay, and if you want to watch how we can add this video, so what you need to do, so come here, and first of all let me log in as admin. Okay, so first of all what I will do, I will log out from here. Okay, so let me log out from here, and I will say done, and let me reload it. I will be on login page, and I will say root admin. I think it was admin, and password was mm, okay. Let's see whether we have login success. Okay, cool. Now we are on our admin panel. Okay, cool, fine. Now as you can see here, we have added a few video files. Okay, now what I need basically add a new. Okay, so new file. So guys, try to understand, I'm not openly speaking everything here, but try to understand on why watching on the screen what is going behind. Okay, just try to understand. And if you want to access this website, if you want to view any kind of data on this website, what you need to do, go to my channel, and on my channel I have uploaded one video free access of streaming website. Okay, and watch that video, you will understand what how you can get the URLs. Okay, cool, perfect. Now I will first of all copy the name of this video file. Okay, after that I will come to my, let me close this unnecessary tabs, let me paste it here, and let me open it in new tab. Now first of all let me get the data of this description. Okay, first of all I will get the description of this file. I will paste the description, and release year is, I think, what is the release year? So release year is 2024, and this is a movie. Okay, this is a movie, and what is the language of this movie will be Hindi, and category we will consider it as an what can be considered as a romantic. Okay, and after that we will say that this will be a 9 plus. Okay, and duration we will get it from, so the duration is here. Okay, and we will paste the duration here. Okay, now we want one poster. Okay, so I will come here and I will try to get one poster. Okay, so I am feeling like this poster is looking cool for me. Okay, so let's see, will this poster work for me? I think yes, this poster will be fine for me. I will open it in new tab, and this poster got downloaded. Okay, so let me copy the image URL. Okay, copy image URL, and let me paste it here. Okay, and let me try to access it. Is basically downloading it in my local system. Okay, not an issue. So what I will try to do right now, I will just come here and I will try to, one sec, I will just try to upload this banner. Okay, so let me see whether it will get uploaded or not. Okay, so it's currently uploading, and it has uploaded. Okay, cool, perfect. Now I will say add. Now this is added to my server. If I come back and if I refresh it right now, so I should get that particular movie. Okay, so here is a movie, but right now we are not getting its banner. Okay, okay, banner also we have got. It means image is also successfully uploaded. Okay, cool, perfect. Now we need to add some video files also. Okay, so how we can add that, let's see. So we are waiting for right now to load our website. Okay, so till it's loading, what we will do, we will try to download the raw data. Okay, so this is basically verifying me whether I am a human or not. Verification successful, and you can see here that we have a different file datas. Okay, so what I need to do, we will upload it in three qualities. Okay, so three qualities we will consider which one. So this will be I can go with 480p. Okay, and 720p. Where is 720p? Okay, here is 720p, and after that and after that 1080p. Okay, cool, zero. Now I will continue with my task. Okay, it is something saying access denied. Okay, not an issue. So I will go with 720p one. Okay, so let me upload 720p one. It has started downloading my file. I will go here and I will copy the URL and I will pause it. I will cancel it basically, and I will come here and I will paste the URL and I will say this is a quality of 720p and I will start uploading. Okay, so it has generated the URL and now it has started uploading to my S3 bucket. Okay, how this process is going on. So nothing is locally. Okay, if you are thinking like first of all he is installing locally then he is uploading to the server. No, that's not. We are just giving the download URL to our server and our server is downloading it and directly uploading it to our S3 bucket. Okay, no nothing use of our local system. Cool, perfect. Now if you want to learn like how we are doing this, so what can you do? Just go to my YouTube channel and try to watch the series of this streaming website. Okay, you will understand what we have done and how we have done. It's basically cool. Okay, it's basically a cool idea. Okay, now let's first of all let's like upload 480p quality one. So this is our 480p quality. I will copy it and I will cancel it from here. Okay, so I will cancel and I have copied the URL of 480p. Okay, so you can see our video of 720p had been uploaded. If I refresh it, so you can see our quality had came here. Okay, so if I paste it right now here and I get my quality of 480p and I will say upload, so I should get the URL of what should I get. mm, like I should get a URL of 480p also. Okay, now let's upload in 10 like in HD also. Okay, so this will be our HD quality and we will wait till it will get. Okay, now it has started uploading. We will copy the URL and we will pause it. Okay, and I will come here and we will wait till this is generating a like it is upload, our server is uploading. Okay, cool, we will wait. Now what I will do right now, if I want to show you my YouTube channel. Okay, uh, so guys like you I need your support at this moment. There are less of subscribers but the quality of work we are doing is really great and we have built like a few projects even and we are getting a good amount of love from users and we are expecting you to also give same. Okay, so you can see our 480p quality has been uploaded and if I refresh it right now, so I will get here 480p quality. Okay, now if I upload the 720p quality even, so this will be 1080p quality and this will start getting uploaded to my S3 bucket. Okay, cool guys, this is a basic idea what we have tried to done in this video. Okay, now if I open it in new tab localhost and if I log out from here and log in back as an normal user. Okay, so I should get like I should get some video file. Okay, if I say let me log in with the demo account my. Okay, and let me say login. So login success and I am here. So this is the movie that we had uploaded. Okay, yeah, as you can see we have got it a poster and if I click on it I will get the data of that particular movie and our poster is loading. So you can see here we have got the poster even and it's looking cool. Now what is the next? So next is basically if I click on watch now. Okay, so then I will get this video file. Okay, I will not play it by the way. So you can see we are getting here. Okay, fine. So this is how guys you can access this website. If you want to access this website, just go to my channel and view like how you can access this website in your system. Okay, so thank you, hope you enjoy this video and hope you are getting much more familiar with our projects which we are building. So thank you guys, hope you enjoy.